Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to destination for all things beauty and self-care. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to transform your hair game, the Viviscal Hair Growth Supplements for women. This unique formulation aims to nourish thinning hair and promote existing hair growth, making it a sought-after option for many. Let's take a closer look at what Viviscal has to offer. Each box contains 60 capsules, which is a 1-month supply. What sets Viviscal apart is its proprietary Aminomar Collagen Complex, crafted specifically to support healthy hair growth. This supplement isn't just a one-trick pony, it's packed with vital ingredients such as biotin, zinc, vitamin C, iron, and niacin. Plus, it's 100% drug-free, catering to all hair types, which makes it an accessible choice for many women looking to boost their hair's thickness and fullness. In my personal experience with these supplements, I found them surprisingly easy to incorporate into my daily routine. I took the recommended 2 capsules a day with meals, which made it convenient. As for performance, I noticed a gradual change in my hair texture and volume over the course of a month. While results can vary from person to person, I observed my hair feeling noticeably healthier, with less breakage and an overall improved look. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the blend of ingredients is impressive, and many users have reported positive results after consistent use. However, it's essential to note that Viviscal may not be suitable for individuals with seafood allergies due to its fish-derived ingredients. Additionally, while some users see results quickly, others may need to commit to a longer usage period to experience significant changes, which can be a con for those seeking immediate effects. When comparing Viviscal to other hair growth supplements on the market, it stands out for its clinically proven formula. Brands like Nutrafol or Hairfinity also offer hair growth solutions, but they come with different ingredient profiles and price points. Viviscal's Amazon-exclusive formula is competitively priced, making it an attractive option, especially for those focused on quality over quantity. Speaking of value for money, Viviscal's price reflects the quality of its ingredients and the research backing its formulation. It's a bit on the higher side compared to generic hair vitamins, but given its proven effectiveness, many users find it worth the investment. Regarding build quality, the capsules themselves are well constructed, ensuring that each one is easy to swallow. I didn't encounter any issues with breakage or difficult to open bottles, which is a plus. In terms of user-friendliness, Viviscal couldn't be simpler. Just take your daily dose with food and you're good to go. Customer support is another aspect to consider, and I found the company's resources quite helpful. Their website offers a wealth of information about the product, and customer service is responsive, which is always a good sign for potential buyers. During my real-world testing, I incorporated Viviscal into my routine alongside a balanced diet and healthy hair care practices. This holistic approach, combined with the supplement, seemed to amplify the benefits, leading to the outcomes I experienced. Since my initial testing, I haven't seen any significant updates or changes to the formulation, which is reassuring for those interested in consistent results. Now, for the final verdict, I would definitely recommend Viviscal Hair Growth Supplements for women to anyone looking to enhance their hair's thickness and overall health. This product seems to particularly benefit those dealing with thinning hair or looking for a boost in volume. If you're a beginner in hair care or a seasoned pro seeking a supplement that works, Viviscal is worth a try. However, if you're looking for cheaper alternatives, brands like Nature's Bounty or even Biotin-specific supplements can provide some benefits, though they might not offer the same comprehensive formulation. If you're enjoying this review, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so we can continue bringing you more great content. Your support helps others discover our channel too. Thank you for tuning in today. You can find the link to purchase Viviscal in the description below. Feel free to drop any questions you have about the product or share your experiences if you've tried it. Until next time, keep shining and take care of your beautiful hair.